Welcome to the vlog! It is 7 a.m. and we're heading up to Mount Washington for a couple days with the fam. So let's go now. Three hours later, we made it. Here's my pod for the next couple nights. I know it's raining, but I think we've got to explore outside. You need a coat when the weather's like this. Sorry if the volume is really bad because it is frickin' windy right now and rainy and all of the above. We're just gonna explore. We're just gonna explore this. So yeah. It's like 10:30 right now. Just heading to bed right now. Hoping to get an early start tomorrow to get up and get some fresh powder. So yeah, see you then.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been.
Okay, we just had some complications with the pass, but we're all ready now. Let's go.
Second thing, second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea. Oh, ooh, the master of my sea. Oh, ooh. I was broken from a young age, taking my soak into the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me, took me, shook at me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the...
Okay, I just got back from skiing. Pretty good day, but my GoPro died, so not too much footage to show there, but pretty good day other than all the rain, which meant I also could not fly my drone. So, fun day, but no footage.
Look at it compared to yesterday, so much calmer. Yesterday was like hot.
it worked, so that's good. Okay, so I'm not sure how the footage will look just because it's quite dark out right now. But I'm glad the drone worked, even with the little thing I made. But yeah, it was nice flying it again. It's good that the rain stopped. The wind was a bit windy. Anyways, hopefully we got some good footage. Sun's out, powder, beautiful day. You're screwed! Dude, the powder's so nice. That was a good day. Lots of powder. That was a good day. It's finally come, our last day here. Okay, we've just been getting some sick shots here. Here's a few shots we got. So yeah, we're just heading home now. I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. See you next time.